Oh, it's now practice time before the next big game.
Oh, it's now practice time before the next big game.
Take Tom a bath first. Let's unlock phone for video practice. So get ready because this video is for practicing. Let's go to the hat. That's weird. Let's watch ad first. Okay, the video is started. It's a bit hard.
Welcome to Ipsy Sound. Today we have a fishing game.
You missed it!
Fishing game.
You missed the coins.
No. No. Gypsy.
Ooh.
Gypsy.
Get the gingerbread.
Lala. And
Okay, we have to watch an ad first, so pause the video, watch.
Tinky Winky. Tinky Winky.
Gotta lower them up.
Tinky Winky back. And this is for Gypsy. Gypsy. Gypsy tabby toes. Look here. Tabby toes. Tabby toast. Here. Tabby toast.
Seems like it's not enough.
Maybe.
Pause video, watch out.
Oh, no, you're wet. Oh, no. Oh, Lala. You're wet, Lala. It was so full here. The table. Oh, I have no place.
I kind of think I have to watch another ad. Pause, watch ad.
Assort.
Okay.
Oh, Tabby pudding.
Ooh, you got 20.
Where are the tabbies?
Here, I messed up the camera.
Thank you very much. Until
Wait, let
next
me
time.
fix
Bye-bye.
it. Okay, got the camera fixed. And the practice is over, so let's say bye. Wait a second, we still have some more of these Christmas trees.
Oh, no.
So we'll still continue.
Lala. You're wet, Lala.
Wow!
Oh, the table. Oh, I have no place. Oh. Tabby castle. Oh, tabby pudding.
You got it again? You're so good! Wow! 80 coins!
Already, tabby. Okay. Thank you very much. Until the next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. So we have to say goodbye now. Bye guys. We're gonna go to the next episode, which is the second big game. So yeah. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the practice. So we're going home with 80 coins. So alright, I have to say bye. Bye.